I'm here today in Saltwood to show you this impressive 5-bedroom home nestled in 3 acres of gardens and grounds. Welcome to Minstead. This grand entrance hall really sets the tone for the rest of the house. On the ground floor you have multiple reception rooms, including this stylish formal sitting room. And this stunning bespoke handcrafted office by Neville Johnson. The entire home has been beautifully restored and renovated to give a modern and luxurious feel whilst remaining sympathetic to its original design. At the heart of the home you have this most impressive kitchen, dining and living area. Check out this incredible dining space. This table was handcrafted using trees from within the grounds. This space has been meticulously designed with bespoke cabinets and state-of-the-art appliances. I am in love with this walk-in pantry. This is not bad for a utility room. Upstairs you have 5 fantastic bedrooms, 3 of which have en-suites, and there is a stunning family bathroom. The main suite is gorgeous. Not only do you have this vast bedroom space, you also have a luxury ensuite. And this incredible bedroom-sized dressing room. Look at this space. The property is set within 3 acres of grounds and is incredibly secluded and peaceful. If you're thinking this property would benefit from a swimming pool, well, that has already been considered. With most of the ground and building work complete in this pool house, you could have a stunning swimming pool up and running in no time. And there's room for a gym as well. Subject to planning, this could be perfect as a self-contained annex and would span the square footage of a 4-bedroom house. So if you're looking for a magnificent family home in a great village location with its own 2 Michelin star restaurant, then contact Foundation Estate Agents today.